Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we'll be going to talk about that how can we configure SSH into our Windows system as well as in our Linux system. Then what we will do, we'll configure SSH and then we will do SSH from Windows to Linux and from Linux to Windows vice versa. So come on, let's move into the video and see how that we can do so. Okay, so first of all what we will do, we will configure SSH for our Windows system. Okay. So configure SSH in our Windows system. First of all, you need to go to this Windows button and then you need to right click on that and go to app and features. So here you will find beneath the app and features, here you will find something called optional features. Click on that. Now search for open SSH. So if you don't find it here, then you can just click on add feature and you will type here open, you will find it here. But I have already found out this one. So you need to install the server because I want to do SSH to this system, which is my Windows system. That's why I'm installing the server. And you can also install the client. So if you install the client feature, then what will happen? You can able to do SSH from this Windows system to any other system. Okay. So I have configured this Windows system SSH. You just need to click on install. It will take some time and then it will install that. After that, you need to just restart your laptop and then first of all what I'll do, I'll check my IP address here. So I'll go to command prompt and then I'll type here cmd and in that cmd I'll type ipconfig. So it will give you that IP address. So you can see here that my IP address is this one, 192.168.0.106. Okay. So what you will do, you'll just take this IP address and go to my Linux system. So here I am in my Kali Linux operating system. So first of all, I'll enter my password here. Now I'll open my terminal here and then I'll type SSH. After that, in this Kali system, we have to mention this algorithm, which is like the SSH hash key. Then you need to mention the username at the rate IP address of the system and then enter. So as soon as you click enter, it is asking for the password. So let me enter my password here. Done. Now you can see here I have logged in into my Windows system using the Kali system, which is the Linux operating system. Now let's check for the Kali system. So how to configure SSH in our Kali machine so that I can able to do SSH from Windows to Kali. For that, first of all, you need to open your terminal here, and in the terminal you need to check first that you have open SSH server installed. So for that, what you will do, you will type here apt. First of all, I need to type sudo because if you are not having a root privileges, then you'll not be able to install that. Then apt get install open SSH client. This is the not client, I'm going with the server. Okay, just press enter down the password of the Kali machine. So you can see here I have already installed that once, so it is not telling me to install again. In your case, if it is not installed, then it will just ask you for yes or no. You'll just enter Y and then it will automatically install that open SSH server. Now what you need to do, you need to go for starting the SSH service. So for that, you need to type service SSH, then start and enter. So you need to enter the password here enter. Now you can see here that the service has been started. So for that you need to just type status, enter. So you can see here that here the service is showing it's active and it's in running state. Now what I need to check, I need to check the IP address. Okay, so for that I'll type here ifconfig, enter. Then you can check this is my IP address. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just go to this Windows machine, then I'll open my command prompt. So you can do that with the help of command prompt, or else if you have any other software like putty, anything, you can go with that. So I have this command prompt. You can do this with the help of command prompt. Just type ssh hyphen l, then mention the IP address with the username. So my username is admin, and then the IP address, which was 192.168.0.1, no, 108. Enter. It's asking for the password. Just enter the password. C, enter. And you can see here that I have logged in into my Linux system using the Windows operating system. So it is very simple. But one thing which is you should remember is like both the operating system should be in the same network, or else you will not be able to communicate. Okay, so if both the systems are not in the same network, then you need to do port forwarding using the help of your router, and then it will be possible. Or else if it is in the same network, you can see here I have the same subnet 192.168.0 subnet, and there it is also .0, just it is 106 IP and 108, so I can able to do SSH. Okay, so I hope that you have liked this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Thank you.